Today I want to give you a complete paid advertising guide for home remodelers. We're going to be talking about paid ads from Google Ads through social media ads. And I hope you find today's episode helpful in giving you a leg up on your online advertising. If you're frustrated by paid ads that don't generate enough leads, or your competitors seem to dominate online spaces while you struggle to get noticed, paid advertising can be the game changer that your remodeling business needs if it's done right. And so what I want to do today is help break down how you can harness Google Ads and social media platforms and retargeting strategies to grow your business, attract high quality leads, and book more projects. And so some of the things we're going to be talking through today is how paid advertising offers speed and precision. We'll look at how Google Ads drive high intent traffic, how social media advertising builds engagement and brand awareness, how retargeting keeps your business at top of mind during the buyer journey. We'll look at integrated strategies to deliver the best results overall. We'll look at the visual and emotional appeal and why that is so important. And we'll talk about tracking performance to better optimize your campaigns. And we'll also talk about why you need to start now to get a competitive edge in your market. And so with that, let's go ahead and dive into our topic for today. First of all, you need to understand paid advertising online. Paid advertising is a tool that is going to put your business in front of the people who are actively searching for remodeling services in the moment. And that's the critical caveat here. They are looking in the moment. Higher intent because they're currently in the market. And so unlike organic marketing, which takes time to build momentum, paid ads are going to deliver faster results and they can be more targeted. So for remodelers, this is important because your ideal customers aren't just anybody with a pulse. They are homeowners who are ready to make their remodeling dreams a reality. And so paid advertising is going to help you find those individuals when they are actively searching for somebody to fulfill that dream for them. And so when we talk about paid advertising, obviously one of the first things we want to talk about is Google Ads. Google's pay-per-click program, Google LSA ads. There are several variations of Google Ads we could talk about, but let's talk about some of the ad strategies with Google Ads. Because Google Ads are one of the most effective ways to reach customers who are actively searching for services like yours. And here's how to make Google Ads work for you. First of all, you want to craft the right campaigns. So start by thinking about what your customers are searching for. So phrases like bathroom renovation near me or kitchen remodeling ideas are searches that they might be searching for. And so you want to write ads that are going to directly answer those searches with clear benefits and a strong call to action, such as schedule your estimate today. You want to use local targeting because remodeling is all about serving your local community. So be sure to use Google's location targeting tools to ensure that your ads are only shown to people in your service area. And one of the things you've got to watch is there's an option in your Google settings that says people who have been in your area or people who are regularly in your area. And then there's another setting, people who are interested in your area. You want to make sure it's the people who are regularly in your area. You want to make sure that you are managing your budget wisely because Google Ads operates on a pay-per-click system, meaning you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. So start small, track your results, and adjust based on what works. So we always talk about start small and then scale as you are getting positive results on those ads. And then, of course, you do have to track your results. So use Google Analytics to monitor performance. And so, for example, if you're getting clicks but you're not getting calls, it could mean that your landing page is not compelling enough. So always refine your strategy. You want to be looking at, are you getting clicks and are those clicks converting? And if you're getting the clicks and you're getting the calls but you're not getting the appointments and the estimates, then you've got to look at your sales process on the back end. So you always want to be diagnosing the process all the way through. Now, when we get to social media advertising, the process is a little bit different because social media ads are going to allow you to showcase your work visually and connect with potential clients in a more personal way. And obviously the front runner in this is going to be Facebook and Instagram. And the Facebook and Instagram ads are going to run on the Facebook platform through Meta. So if you've got a Facebook page, you can run on both platforms simultaneously. That's the most efficient way to do this. It will run simultaneously on your Facebook page and your Instagram channel, and that's an efficient way to do things. And so these platforms are ideal for sharing the stunning before and after photos of your remodeling projects, also video walkthroughs of your projects. And you want to add a Contact Us button to make it easier for homeowners to reach out, either by a message or a lead form fill. One of the secrets of marketing on Facebook is you will get a better pricing if you keep the consumer within the Facebook environment. So better to have them fill out the lead form on Facebook or better to have them message you on Facebook rather than sending them off of the page and out of Facebook's environment. You'll get a better cost by doing that, keeping them within that environment. You also have Pinterest. Pinterest is where people are going to go for inspiration, so you could share project ideas and use promoted pins to drive traffic to your website. You've got YouTube, where you could post short videos that highlight your completed projects or feature client testimonials. You've got videos to build trust and help potential clients visualize what you can do for them. And then you want to be sure to target your audience on all of these platforms correctly. So use demographic and interest-based targeting to focus on homeowners most likely to need your services. For instance, target families or professionals in your area age 35 to 60. So figure out who your ideal target audience is and set that demographic and interest-based targeting in your ad campaign. And this is important. Create scroll-stopping content. So use high-quality images and videos in your ads. Good lighting, good sound if somebody's talking. You want to stop the scroll. The more eye-catching that image is, the better it's going to perform. So invest in professional visuals. Make sure that your smartphone content is top-notch. Get the drop cloths and the paint buckets and all the junk out of the background and make sure the lighting is good. Invest in a few lights if you need to. The better the lighting, the better the quality, the better it's going to perform. And here's a little trade secret for you. If you've got the picture of somebody smiling in that photo, the algorithm actually responds better to that. And so if you've got a picture of that project, but you have a happy homeowner or somebody smiling in the foreground of that picture, it'll actually perform better in the algorithm. Just a little secret for you. Then let's talk about retargeting and remarketing, and this is something that's often overlooked. So let me ask you this question. Have you ever seen ads for a product you viewed online but didn't purchase that follow you around for a few days? Well, that's retargeting, and it is extremely effective for a remodeling business. And here's how it works. A small piece of code called a pixel is installed on your website or your landing page, and it tracks visitors so that you can show them ads later, reminding them of your services. And what it does is it allows you to stay with that prospective customer through their entire buying journey. And then there's email remarketing. So if someone signs up for your newsletter but doesn't follow through, send them valuable information, project ideas, or limited time offers to keep your business on their radar. And then what's most effective is cross-platform retargeting. So combine Google and Facebook retargeting to show ads to potential clients across multiple platforms, so that wherever they go, there you are. This keeps your brand in front of them everywhere they go. And keep it balanced. Avoid overexposure by rotating your ads. Seeing the same ad repeatedly can annoy potential customers, and what happens is they subconsciously will begin to tune it out. So I always like to keep 5 to 6 different ad variations in rotation, and I like to combine video and still images simultaneously. So it's never the same look twice. It's the same message, but it's never the same visual. And so subconsciously, it's harder to be ignored because it's never the same repeated visual time and time again. Now, when you put it all together, a successful paid advertising strategy is going to utilize multiple platforms simultaneously. We call this the ecosystem. And so here's how this might work together. It starts with a Google ad that is targeting kitchen remodeling near me. The consumer goes to your website, they are pixeled on the website, and they are now followed up with a Facebook retargeting ad that is showing off your latest project. And that is now following them on Facebook and Instagram and their mobile device. And then you are now engaging with them on Pinterest as they are looking at Pinterest boards full of remodeling inspiration. And they are on your email list, and so they are now also getting emails from you. So you are now connecting with them through multiple modalities, multiple touch points on multiple occasions on a regular basis. You are staying top of mind all the time through their buyer's journey. Now here's a hypothetical success story for you. And this will show you how this could work in a real life scenario. Let's take Google Ads. A contractor runs a search ad targeting affordable bathroom remodels, and they see a 25% increase in calls within the first month simply by focusing on high intent keywords. Let's take a social media strategy. A contractor runs an Instagram ad featuring a modern kitchen renovation and gets 500 likes, 30 inquiries, and 2 booked projects over a 2-week period. Let's take a retargeting example. A Facebook retargeting ad re-engages visitors who left a website without booking. This strategy recovers 15% of the lost leads. And let's talk about an integrated strategy. By combining Google Ads and Pinterest campaigns, a contractor sees a 35% increase in traffic to their website over a 3-month period. So here's the important thing. Just having the knowledge doesn't help you. You've got to take action now. So if you're not running paid ads, you are leaving money on the table. because homeowners are out there searching for remodelers day in and day out, all hours of the day and night. So why not make sure that they find you? With a well-planned strategy, you can stand out, you can build trust, and you can book more projects. And so take your business to the next level and start applying proven paid advertising strategies. Especially with a social media advertising strategy, you can do that at a very low cost. Facebook ads can be done for $5 a day, and you can drive a ton of visitor traffic to your website and keep your name in front of a lot of people for very low cost. Thanks for tuning in today. I look forward to talking with you on our next episode.